Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Kydex. Please make sure you guys are subscribed. 90% of you guys watch my video, but you are not subscribed. So please hit that little bell icon, do all that good stuff. Today what I have is an NYPD shield in 9mm. It's an M&P shield. This gun is clear and it is empty. And I do have the mold for it, which is excellent, so I don't have to mess with this gun. This is just for fit, and this is the mold that I'm actually going to use. Just a little history about the NYPD off-duty authorization process. They specifically pick a couple of authorized guns that they're allowed to carry. Now, as a police officer, you can carry any gun you want. However, they want you to have a specific authorized gun. And this was one of the options. It is no longer one of the options because Smith & Wesson, like every other gun manufacturer, has to continue to make better and newer products. Therefore, guns like this and other older guns, they stop to exist as an option for newer police officers. So what happens is that especially Kydex makers or holster makers, is that we'll find these older guns that police officers still have, and they don't have Kydex options. All right, so that's what I'm trying to do. I am in the process right now with my web designer of making a page specifically for older NYPD guns. So if you are an NYPD officer and have some of the older guns, such as the SIG 239, maybe you have a Centennial, the revolver, all those things. The shield, obviously, it's no longer an option. And of course, the new stuff like P365. But maybe you have the old Smith & Wesson 3914, 3913, or I think the TSW. All right, so I'm going to have those options available on the website for all you guys that have been police officers for a long time and can no longer get Kydex holsters for it. All right, guys, so what we're going to do today is make a couple holsters for this, and stick around. Pretty much it. All right, just want to give you an idea of what that looks like. All right, this is just in black Kydex. I can make them in any color that you like. So if you want prints, colors, all that kind of stuff. I can make it. If you want an outside the waistband, I could also make that. You have to go to threeriverkydex.com, go through the menus and take a look at what I have, and then just order it. Okay. Wait times seem to vary. Again, if you're in dire need of one of these immediately, then you're gonna have to email me, but fits really nicely. All right, this is a foamy clip. All right, and that is authorized by the NYPD. So if you are an NYPD officer, this is the exact one that you need for your off-duty shield. There are different versions of shield, so if you're a civilian or want to get the Shield Plus, this will fit as well. It does have a tension screw right here, so depending on how tight you want your gun to fit in, you can do that as well. All right, again, like I said, you're gonna have to go to 3 River Kydex to order one of these. So what I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. I can't tell you enough. Guys, I need you to get on that mailing list. Go to 3 River Blades or 3riverkydex.com. Go all the way down to the bottom, first name, last name, and your email address. Once you have all that stuff, hit go. You might have to double opt in. If you double opt in, you will be on that mailing list, and then I can give you discount codes. The only place I'm sending discount codes is to your email address. You're not getting them anywhere else. Also, check out my other channels, 3 River Blades, if you're interested in some awesome blades, and 3 River Survival if you like outdoors and tool reviews and that kind of thing. All right, guys, thank you very much. So please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And as always, please stay safe.